Genetics, structure, abnormalities and applications in human genetics. Based on UGC NET Anthropology. Welcome to Anthronet Academy. A study aligned with the UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Stay till the end. A fascinating insight into cytogenetics awaits you. Don't miss the key takeaways and book recommendations. Explore the world of chromosomes together. Introduction to cytogenetics. Points. Definition, study of chromosomes, structure, function, and inheritance. Importance in genetics, evolution, and medical science. Role in detecting chromosomal abnormalities. Key techniques, karyotyping, FISH, CGH. Applications in anthropology, forensics, and medicine. Connection with human evolution and population genetics. Chromosome structure and function. Points. Chromosomes, DNA protein complexes carrying genetic information. Components, chromatid, centromere, telomere. Types, autosomes and sex chromosomes. Euchromatin, active, versus heterochromatin, inactive. Chromosomal packaging in the nucleus. Link to gene expression and epigenetics. Chromosomal abnormalities. Points. Numerical abnormalities, aneuploidy, example Down syndrome, Turner syndrome. Structural abnormalities, deletions, duplications, translocations, inversions. Causes, errors in meiosis, mutagens, radiation exposure. Detection methods, karyotyping, FISH, microarrays. Impacts on human health and development. Examples, Klinefelter syndrome, Cre-Duchat syndrome. Cytogenetic techniques. Points. Karyotyping arranges chromosomes for abnormality detection. Fluorescence in situ hybridization, FISH DNA probes for specific sequences. Comparative genomic hybridization, CGH detects copy number variations. Chromosome banding techniques, G-banding, C-banding, Q-banding. Molecular cytogenetics, role of PCR, sequencing, and microarrays. Applications, genetic counseling, prenatal diagnosis, cancer research. Cytogenetics in evolution and anthropology. Points. Chromosomal evolution in primates and humans. Human-chimpanzee chromosome comparison, fusion of chromosome 2. Role in studying genetic diversity in populations. Y-chromosome and mitochondrial DNA in tracing ancestry. Impact on understanding genetic disorders in ancient populations. Importance in forensic anthropology and DNA fingerprinting. Applications and future prospects. Points. Cytogenetics in personalized medicine and gene therapy. Role in cancer diagnostics and targeted therapy. Advances in CRISPR and genome editing. Cytogenetics in reproductive health and IVF. Artificial chromosomes and synthetic biology. Ethical and legal considerations in genetic manipulation. Here are some books on cytogenetics that are useful for UGC NET preparation. General Cytogenetics. Principles of Genetics, D. Peter Snustad and Michael J. Simmons. Genetics, a Conceptual Approach, Benjamin A. Pears. Cytogenetics, an Advanced Approach, P. K. Gupta. Human and Medical Cytogenetics. Human Chromosomes, Orlando J. Miller and Eva Thurman. Principles of Medical Genetics, Thomas D. Gelater, Francis S. Collins. The Principles of Clinical Cytogenetics, Stephen L. Gerson and Martha B. Kegel. Evolutionary and Anthropological Cytogenetics. Human Evolutionary Genetics, Mark Jobling, Edward Horlocks, et al. Molecular Anthropology, Mark Stoneking. The Tangle Tree, A Radical New History of Life, David Quammen. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology. Stay safe and connected.